Shaktipeeth in Kathmandu Valley. Baglamukhi Temple. The Baglamukhi Temple is located in the Kumbheshwar Temple complex near the Patan Palace area. Baglamukhi is also considered as one of the 10 Mahavidyas of Tantra. There is a special crowd in this temple on Thursday. There is a popular belief that one's desire will be fulfilled by worshipping Baglamukhi. It is believed that Lord Vishnu saved the world from the great flood that could have destroyed the universe in Satya Yuga when Lord Vishnu performed penance on Baglamukhi. It is believed that Shiva, who drank poison after churning the sea, also worshipped Baglamukhi. According to Tantra Shastra, Baglamukhi is one of the 10 Mahavidyas. According to the legend, a demon named Bagala or Madan was harassing the people of this area. So the local resident worshipped the goddess Baglamukhi, who killed the demon. People who cannot perform ancestral worship and Kul Puja worship Baglamukhi. Because it is known as Jupiter who governs ancestors and Baglamukhi is the lord of Mother Jupiter, so when family and parental defects occur, they go to Baglamukhi for prayers.